What's up everybody, it's Jelly with Squid Industries, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do the reverse 8-ball and the reverse helix. The prerequisite tricks I recommend before learning the reverse 8-ball and helix are the normal 8-ball and helix, as well as the whip rollover, as these tricks have some fundamental movements that might make learning the reverse 8-ball and helix a little bit easier. So if you haven't learned those tricks yet, then watch the tutorials for those. And if you already know them, let's get to the breakdown of the reverse 8-ball. So to do the reverse behind the 8-ball, you want to start on the safe handle, and you want to have your wrist and hand position like this, and then flick out. And you're going to flick out and then turn over. So you're going to flick, turn, and then from this position, you're going to get into a single reverse thumb chaplain. And then just like with the regular behind the 8-ball, after you do that thumb chaplain, I usually stop it with my hand here like this, because that's just a little bit easier. And then I'll make that circle. So go here, I'll stop it like this, and then I'll make that circle with my thumb and my index finger, just like with the regular behind the 8-ball. And then from this position, I'm going to transition and do one index chap and then catch the safe handle here and then just bring it up. So it's gonna look like that. So that single index chaplain, and it's going to be in a little bit of a weird orientation since your hand is gonna be like this, but you only need to do one and then catch that handle and then bring up that by handle and close off the reverse behind the 8-ball. To do the reverse helix, you want to start on the safe handle here, and you're going to complete one full reverse thumb roll. So you're going to stop the safe handle with your pinky and edge of your palm here, like this, just like you did with the reverse 8-ball, stopping it like that. And do the same on the helix. And then you're going to, as it's stopping, turn your wrist over and make a ring with your thumb and your index finger like this. Once you do that, you're going to let it roll around your index finger. So you can practice this roll like that. Your wrist is going to be turned over, and you're going to do that index roll, stopping the inside of the safe handle here with your middle finger. So once you got that roll down, it's going to be a lot easier once you're learning the reverse helix completely. And again, you can break it down into those moves. So like this, turn over, a single index roll like that. And once it's in this position, to close off the trick, you're going to grab the safe handle, twist it over, and then close off the rev helix. Another thing with this trick, as well as many other tricks, is that you can do it with not just your thumb and your index finger. Traditionally, the reverse behind the 8-ball and reverse helix are done with your thumb and your index finger, but you can use that movement that you learned and apply it to your other fingers as well. So you can go from your thumb to your ring finger, or you can even go from your middle finger to your ring finger if you want to. While it might not be considered a reverse behind the 8-ball, it's still a cool movement that you can learn just with the movements you already know from this trick. So I'll show you how to do that really quickly. So you did that reverse 8-ball and the reverse helix, and you can try transitioning from a reverse roll or reverse chap to a regular chap on another finger, but without using your thumb and your index. You can actually use your other fingers as well. I can go from my index to my middle finger with a similar rev behind the 8-ball movement. It's not the same trick, but it's the same concept of going from that rev chap to a normal chap. Make it look like that. And then the same thing for the rev helix. I can go and do that trick. And you can experiment with that on your other fingers as well. Alright buddy, that's going to do it for today's video. If you're ready to learn some new tricks, then check out our tutorials playlist and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when we release more tutorials. And comment down below what other tricks you're trying to learn right now so we can release tutorials for those. Also, check out the Squid Industries website so you can pick up a Balisong trainer and start flipping. And check out our other social media platforms, links in the description. I'm going to leave you all with a quick flipping clip, so see y'all next time. Whew!